how to download monthly statements from Discover Bank on desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to download monthly statements from your Discover Bank on desktop. So first thing, just head over to discover.com, and once you're inside here, just log into your Discover account online using your username as well as your password, and just once you do all of that, just navigate to the all activity and statements or recent activity and statements section from the top, which will appear after successfully logging into your account, and just locate and select the view previous statement options or drop down, and just choose the correct year from the available options and find the specific monthly statements dates on the right side of the screen and click on the PDF link to download. And you can also print your statements directly from the PDF after downloading it. And if you ever have trouble accessing your statements online, you can call the Discover customer service from their customer service page, and you can view up to the last 7 years of your online statements. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.